So, nagpa-practice po si Miss Amy ng how to receive. Sige, receive ka. Forehand drive. Left foot forward. Very good. Pag short yung ball, pag short yung serve niya, lapitan mo. Lapitan mo. Yan, pag backhand ha. Right foot forward. Oh, pigil. Pigil yung ano mo. Wow. Dapat lagi may follow through. Lapit sa bola. So, okay po yung ginagawa niya sa backhand. Right foot forward. Yan. Follow through. Paddle hanggang likod. Likod. Follow through. Okay yun. Oh, nawawala na yung right foot oh. Forward. Nag-receive ka ng open stance eh. Mag-coil ka kasi coil.